Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, and we're back with another brand new video for you guys. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how the guys can delete your Cash App account. So it's pretty simple to just follow the steps until the end. Don't skip this video, because if you skip, you guys are gonna get confused by missing some important points. I'm going to be telling you guys right before that. If you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move forward with today's video now, shall we? So basically, before deleting a Cash App, just remember, this Cash App is a money-related app. So every transaction you guys have done, its history is going to be stored in Cash App server, and just deleting your Cash App account is not going to delete those information. Cash App needs to store those information for legal reason. So if you delete your Cash account, that doesn't mean your information from Cash App is going to be deleted. Alright? So just keep that in mind. But remember, if you delete your Cash App account, the information is going to be lost from you, which means you can't recover it again. It is going to be stored in Cash App, but you can't receive it again. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so be prepared for that first step. You click on this little icon at the top right corner, you go on over here where it says support. Wait for some time until it loads up, and over here what you want to do is something else. And over here it says account setting, click on it over here. You want to click and close your Cash App account. Wait for some time. Now over here, click on confirm and a Cash App account will be deleted, which I don't want to currently do right now. But if you want to do it, you got to click on this confirm button. Alright, so I hope you guys understand on how you guys can delete your Cash App account. So if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that notification on. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, everybody.